Viewers, good afternoon. We are Road Safety Driving School and my name is Jamil, and today I got our instructor Shahid with me as well. Today we'll just try to make a quick driving lesson video about how we should be doing the things during the test and all. And Shahid will play as a student today and I'll be instructing him how to do it, and let's do it, guys. Okay, move over when you are ready. Now let's make a right turn in the roundabout. End of the straight, we turn left. Now next straight, we turn right. Go straight ahead in the traffic light. Even if you see the light is green, as you come closer to the intersection, slow down.
Yeah.
In case if the light changes, so that you can prove that you are safe. Now keep going straight ahead. Now we got a lane change coming ahead. Go straight through the roundabout. The light is green. As you come closer, make sure you slow down. Traffic light, go straight ahead. Now we are heading towards the multi-lane roundabout. Now Shahid will demonstrate how we exactly should be clearing through the multi-lane roundabout. So we are going straight in the roundabout. Slow down. Once you're inside the roundabout, make sure we signal to the left and we check traffic to the right. Now we better go to the right lane. Only one lane to the right. Now go straight through the traffic light. Now we make a right turn to the shopping center. traffic and give way in the intersection. Now turn left. What you can see in the intersection?
It's a stop sign.
Okay. Go closer with the line, we'll make a full stop. Make sure you give way. Now in the traffic light, we turn left. Second sets of light, we are turning right. So now change lane, mirror check first, then indicate, shoulder check, then you change lane. Next traffic light, we turn right. If you see a situation like this, make sure you give them way.
Yes.
Right in the traffic light.
Yeah. Around the line, you will see a double crossing line in the middle of the road. We try to avoid it. Now turn left. Now keep going straight ahead. Now let's do a KERBSIDE stop. Keep going straight ahead. Just do a KERBSIDE stop behind the white car. So be slow through the whole process. Just use rolling speed. Go closer with the car, about 1 meter, and make sure you make a full stop of the car. Okay, now move off when you are ready. As you can see, we are very close with the car in front. Make sure we reverse out. Look through the back window as you reverse, and reverse minimum. Now keep going straight ahead.
keep going.
And gradually
As it is.
make 3-second gap.
Yeah. As you can see, a lot of responding to hazard in this road. So maintain slow speed as there are many pedestrian movement here in this area.
Also rainy day, 6 to 7 second gap between each car.
That's right. Now take the first left turn. Next straight, we are turning right. What you can see in the intersection.
It says stop sign.
In the stop sign, make sure you make a full stop before the line. Then you check the intersection. If it is safe for you to proceed, then you can make your turn when it's safe to do so. Now keep going straight. Reverse parking behind that gray car.
Yep.
Excellent. Finish the parking. Okay. Now let's do a 3-point turn. So make a full stop to the car first, then we'll start from there. Now start a 3-point turn.